Right now, nandito kami sa Paway, Ilocos Norte. Yan. Nandito kami sa Paway Church. This is one of the oldest church in the Philippines, I think. Yan, ng Paway Church. Dinadayo ito ng mga turista. Tourism site ito ng Ilocos Norte. Ayan ang Paway Church. Right now, marami ngayong visitor, mga local tourists dito kasama namin. Pa-picture-picture. Tapos sa may sa may bukod na simbahan. At lalapit kami dun sa simbahan. Galing na ako rito sa Ilocos nung maliit pare. Yan, yung aking 6 months old pa lang siya nung pumunta kami rito.
Tangabe.
Kaya lang hindi kami nakapasyal dito sa Paway. Hindi na kami sa Lawag. Yan, hindi pa nila na-retoke yung architecture ng Paway Church. This is actually Spanish architecture. At para dagdagan yung ganda ng lugar, nagtanim sila ng mga halaman. Bougainvillea. And that is the new building. Yan siguro yung opisina ng pare. Yan. Lumang simbahan ng Paway. Tingnan natin kung kailan ito ginawa.
Kabilan.
Sanggol. Hindi siya tinangan.
Bulag.
Ay, dito tayo.
Papicture tayo.
Dito kayo sa center.
Dito?
So, tingnan natin. Yan. Signated St. Augustine Church, aka as Paway Church, as Jubilee Church, on the occasion of the Quincentenary of Christianity in the Philippines. This is Church of Paway, parish founded by Augustinian missionaries, 1593. Cornerstone of church laid 1704, of convent 1707, of tower 1793. Used before completion and repair by the people under the joint auspices of the church in the town of Pisial. Inauguration ceremony is 28 February 1896. Church damaged by earthquake 1706 and 1927. Tower used as observation post by Katipuneros during the Revolution, by guerrillas during the Japanese occupation. Ito po wala ay na-repair na. Yan po ang full visual ng Paway Church.
Nelpi daw, Nelpi. Bibidyo.